Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a guy that has starred in a couple of our videos, including one from a bunch of years ago called An Unusual Side Effect of Hair Transplants. And maybe you guys want to scroll back to that because he's a fun character. But anyhow, this dude's, I'm 57, he's 53. He came in looking like this 10 years ago. And we did a frontal U on him, which is that. And then a couple years later, his tuft went away, and we did his tuft and worked a little bit here. And he's got himself a bikini model girlfriend in Miami. And
well, that's
not
awesome.
A side effect.
That's
awesome.
That's not a hair transplant side effect.
Well, he's very happy. So he came by and he did this little video. All right, Steve. So you're 4 years younger than me, and I first met you in 2014, and it is October the 1st tomorrow of 2021. It's a long time. I got your old picture up to your right, and man, I think you look fantastic. And we did your front case, and then we did a little fill up in the middle, bend over just a little bit. A couple years later, and you were just telling me, and you've got a really hot bikini model girlfriend, which has all the attributes of the superficial male would find interesting. And you said she rubs your head all the time and she's never noticed anything.
Never.
All right, let me get the back of your head. Spin around. All right, this is after 2 strip cases with Lindsey. There's my cut right there. There's this. So about 1 millimeter wide after 2 cases. Spin back around. Have I been up front with you? Any kind of bullshit that I pulled on you?
No.
Anything you want to tell people that might want to come in?
Just do it.
Okay. And man, I appreciate you coming. So what do you think, Wendy? When I put his picture up when we started his video, you said how good he looks.
He looks good. He really looks good.
What do you think? So what do you think he wants, Wendy?
More hair.
Yeah. He's got a bad case of hair greed. I'm not sure where we're going to put it on his head.
Well.
Or if we're going to do it.
Well, if he's dating a bikini model and he's 53, he probably wants to lower his hairline just a tiny bit so he can look a tiny bit younger.
If I was dating a bikini model, I would not be thinking about my hairline.
Well, not really.
Anyhow, this is a guy my age that's had 2 cases and looks unremarkable from conversational distance.
He looks very natural. He looks good.
That's our goal at this office. Unremarkable results. So that you don't look like, oh, that's a great hair transplant.
Yeah.
Give us a
It
call.
looks good.